humans have always strived for a better life. They invented and produced new things for the society. The cars we see on the roads or the planes in the air are the result of scientific skill set that turned dreams into reality. World needed skilled people for maximizing the human resource potential, so technical skills were introduced in various fields. TVET Sector Support Programme, the flag bearer of competency-based trainings for the Pakistani youth, is currently working with approximately 130 institutes of vocational and technical education in Sindh and Balochistan.
In TVET SSP, we support the Pakistani government first and foremost with the enhancement of training institutes so that they can deliver a modern training according to the needs of the market, in line with the competency-based training and assessment methodology, so that the graduates can find a job in the market or income opportunities through self-employment.
Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Technical Institute in Sindh is one such partner institute of TVET Sector Support Programme. With the support of European Union, governments of Germany and Norway, ZABTech is bringing light to the lives of youth. Shaneen Umar Sheikh tells her story of being jobless to a sales representative at Abbott Pharmaceuticals.
मैंने कस्टमर सर्विस एंड सेल्स असिस्टेंट का कोर्स किया ज़ैबटेक से। जब मैंने ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट की तो काफ़ी अच्छी ट्रेनिंग थी और सबसे मेन चीज़ कि वहाँ पे हमें टीचर्स बहुत अच्छे मिले, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी ट्रेनिंग करवाई, हमारी लैब्स भी बहुत अच्छी थी, प्रैक्टिस के लिए भी बहुत ज़बरदस्त थी, वहाँ पे हर चीज़ सिखाई जाती थी, कंप्यूटर के हवाले से भी। कोई 1 आवर है लास्ट का जिसमें हमारी प्रैक्टिस करवाई जाती थी, वहीं पर ही कस्टमर्स होते थे और वहीं पर ही ब्रीफिंग दी जाती है, खड़े होकर के सेल करना पड़ता था। इस चीज़ की ट्रेनिंग काफ़ी अच्छी दी थी। मुझे इंटर्नशिप के लिए भेजा गया सोशल वेलफेयर पायलट सेंटर है पॉलिटेक्निकल कॉलेज के पास, तो वहाँ पर मैंने 3 मंथ्स की ट्रेनिंग की। ट्रेनिंग के बाद सर्टिफिकेशन हुई। अब मैं एबट फार्मा में जॉब कर रही हूँ एज अ सेल्स पर्सन हूँ और प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट करती हूँ। कस्टमर्स के कैसे टॉकिंग की जाती है, किस तरह से ब्रीफिंग दी जाती है, ये तमाम चीज़ें उन्होंने हमें ट्रेन करवाई।
Every such story has a powerful message of empowerment and new possibilities. TVET Sector Support Programme has once again proved instrumental in imparting the modern technical skills in the youth of Pakistan. Yasir Rajput is one more such example of receiving the right training and is now on path to the brighter future.
I did 3 months of course of customer service and sales assistants from Larkana campus of ZABTech and on-job training of 3 months. Just after few weeks, I got a job. Currently, I am working as a territory sales manager in a Halib Food. I am working on my own brand of kids products. Inshallah, we will soon launching in Sindh province.
Technical skills learned through the industry experts in our training institutes across Pakistan have dramatically changed the lives of young people. These skills have always brightened the chances of earning a decent livelihood for themselves and their families. Kiran Joya is a graduate of ZABTech Hyderabad campus in computer operating.
कोर्स मैंने ज़ैबटेक से कंप्लीट किया, उसने मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा मदद की है यहाँ पर जो है वो अपना काम अच्छी तरीके से सरअंजाम देने में। रोशनी पब्लिकेशन में, जो कि एक सिंध बेस्ड पब्लिकेशन हाउस है, जो इदारा 1980 से चलता हुआ आ रहा है। आफ्टर एकेडमिक क्वालिफिकेशन, चाहे वो ग्रेजुएशन कर लें, चाहे आप ये मास्टर्स कर लें, लेकिन आपके जो है वो पीस ऑफ द डिग्री आपको हेल्प नहीं कर रहा यहाँ पर जॉब ढूंढने के अंदर। ये सब जानते हैं कि यहाँ पर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कितनी ज़्यादा है, तो क्या ये चीज़ें बहुत बेहतर हैं कि आप कहीं से जो है वो स्किल सीखते हैं, चाहे आप कहीं से डिप्लोमा करते हैं, आप कहीं से कोर्सेज करते हैं, तो एटलीस्ट वो आपको फ्यूचर में अर्निंग के रिसोर्सेज देती है, जो हमें ज़ैबटेक ने प्रोवाइड किए।
TVET Sector Support Programme at the moment is working across Pakistan for capacity enhancement of training institutes so that they can deliver modern technical and vocational skills on the model of competency-based skills and assessment system. Our program is not only supporting training design and delivery to the new entrants, but also assisting vocational training authorities for certifying the existing conventional skilled workforce in many economic sectors.
We have put a very high emphasis on sustainability of our activity. So in all what we have been doing, We have been doing this side by side with our partners in order to put them in a position to take over once the program will completely finish. It makes me feel very proud that in TVET SSP, together with our national partners, we are achieving to really bring new perspectives to young people, and to see this transformation of the young people from the training center to their role in the jobs. This is extremely motivating to see.
TVET Sector Support Programme has ignited the youth of Pakistan with a flame of hands-on skills. Our dream of prosperous Pakistan is slowly becoming a reality. This skilled youth will surely make Pakistan a thriving economic and skilled force of the modern world. TVET Sector Support Programme, with the financial assistance of European Union, governments of Germany and Norway, is proud for becoming the torchbearer of this beautiful journey.